Good morning. So, papunta tayo ngayon ng underground river. Yan. So, sinundo na kami ng aming van sa tour. So, nabook namin siya sa Asia's Wonder Travel and Tours. Yan. So, 7:44. Ang pick-up time nila sa amin is 7:30 to 7:45. Yan. So, na-pick up naman tayo ng on time. Yan. And ngayon, may mga dadaanan pa nakasama sa tour. Pero on the way na kami. Ayan. So, update ko kayo kung gaano katagal yung biyahe namin papunta. Sabi kasi, magbo-boat daw papunta dun sa underground, sa place ng underground river, tapos iba pa yung boat na dun sa mismong underground. Yan. So, let's go!
Away from the city proper of Puerto Princesa. So when we arrive at Sabang Wharf, we will ride first a motorized boat. So from the motorized boat going to the National Park, it will take 20 minutes. So riding a motorized boat, you need to wear your life jacket. And when you arrive at the National Park, where located underground river, don't remove it. It is the same best going inside the cave. Okay, our travel time more or less 1 hour and 35 minutes to get there at Barangay Kabayugan, Sitio Sabang, we're located the Subterranean River National Park.
Hello. So, andito na tayo sa anong lugar to? Sabang. Yan. Sabang. Yan. So, yung tour guide namin is naiwan siya doon sa area kung saan magpo-process siya ng process ng permit for the underground river tour. Yan. So, i-update pa kami kung ilang oras yung process kasi nga magsisecure pa ng boat, tas mga permits, and then waiting kasi nga madaming pupunta sa underground river. So ngayon, andito kami sa may mangrove area, pwedeng mag-paddle boat, and then pwede rin kayong mag-zipline. So pag magpa-paddle boat kayo, nasa 350 per person, and then kung zipline naman, nasa 600 per person. Yan. And then dito, meron siyang 10 pesos na entrance fee. Ayan. So, ito yung area. Ayan. So, nag-iisip pa kami kung anong gagawin namin kasi meron din daw tamilok dito. Gusto ni Bebe mag-tamilok. Ayan. Ito, kung gusto mo mag-mangrove, ayan. Ito yung boat. And then, ito yung area ng mangrove. Ano yung narinig ko? Marami daw bat. Marami ito ditong bat. Saka yan daw pilig.
Sa bahay. Saan kuya?
Doon daw.
Wala, pre? Wala. Ako lang. Ma'am, may kahawakan po tayo kabila.
So, tayo ay magma-mangrove tour. Yan. So, 350 isa ang ating binayaran. And nakasakay na tayo sa boat. Yan.
Stage po kayo, ma'am. Ay, dito na po.
Ayan, sumasakay pa sila.
Yeah, dito kami dalawa.
Okay, ma'am. This is here, ma'am.
Opo, oo.
No throwing garbage on the water. Oh, no, the
Opo, so pag na-complete nyo na, sir,
many guests we earn. No guests, no. But we are doing our job here. Guardian of this area. Sometimes the man.
so ayan na, sa boat na tayo with our bankero and our tour guide.
And bird.
Ayan.
That's why I radio on your camera. Once you see them, set up one. So in this area, we have 4 kinds of mangrove. Two of them, they have the ginger.
Ginger.
We have male and female mangrove.
Gender. Ginger.
Paano niyo malalaman na female?
Gender pala. Ginger narinig.
Male. Here they are.
Sorry naman.
Those trees growing on this river bank, those are male. Lalaki. Tagalog.
Pointed leaves, there are tiny flowers between the leaves. These are male.
Pag male,
Lalaki in Tagalog.
may flowers.
If you're a boy, lalaki ako. Guwapo ako. Tangos ilong ko. You see, you understand? Tangos ilong. I know. Okay. So those are boys. If you remember, long leaves. Kapag lalaki mahaba, ang dahon. Dito naman babae. Yeah.
Bilog ang babae.
Yeah.
Oh.
White leaves, those are female mangrove. Yes, this is a female. Malapad ako. Babae ako, maganda ako. If you can remember, if boy long, chocolate. If girl white, white. Samilok.
Samilok, yeah.
Name. Samilok is a woodworm. Member of mussels. Member of oysters. It is like oysters, but the form is like a worm. The head have a head, shell like a beak of parrot. The tail have a shell like pincer. According to the expertise, Tamilok is rich in protein. That is local Viagra in Palawan. Aphrodisiac to the young guys and to the mature
Kailangan
guys.
ko lang kumain yun.
Aphrodisiac, anti-aging food. I ate Tamilok moderately.
Wow.
Pagyamanin, yaman dagat natin, tulong sa masira, sa bakawan galing. Maraming salamat kaibigan, kayo ay laging welcome sa bakawan. Susunod na taon, babalik naman, kami ay laging naghihintay.
We're here na sa port and sasakay tayo ng motorized boat papunta dun sa location ng underground river. And currently mainit and currently maraming people. Yan. So ayan na. Ang dami oh. Waiting. It's a waiting game.
If you want to buy something, grab a bite to eat, pwede rin. And then after that, you're gonna stay here. So if I already know,
Hello. We're here na sa area ng underground river. So, kakababa namin, hindi na ako nag-video sa boat kasi medyo maalon. May wisik-wisik. Yan. And we're here na. Kuha tayo ng
Picture daw mag...
helmet.
Ay, wala ako yun.
Tama ka, B. Thank you. Tayo po ay magko-construct ng bahay. Magko-construct po tayo ng bahay. So, meron daw tong 2 minutes walk going to the underground. Eh, hindi pa underground. Sasakay muna tayo ng boat. Merong mini boat. Sasakyan. Yun yung for the underground. Napakainan nila. Kukuha tayo ng audio device. We'll get our audio device. Thank you po. Suot na natin. Wait lang. Ayan na. Ayan tayo. Audio device. Ayan na. We're here na.
So while waiting, if you like to take a good photo, there's a good view here. Yes, it's beautiful. You look not much. Nice.
See you after 45 minutes.
Hi po. na tayo ng underground river. We survive. Thank you po. Okay na.
Ayan pa, may isa pa lang.
Yan, so super happy. Super duper happy. Busog ang aming mga mata and hoping your eyes too. We're here na sa Pampang. Inaantay na lang natin yung boat natin kasi dun sila mga nakapark. There. Yan. And then marami ng mga nag-uwian. Yan. So, hintayin na lang natin ang ating boat. Go na.
Tamilok na masarap. Tahong. Real tahong.
Ito na kami sa buffet area. Hagardo na.
Hagardo Versosa.
So, yun yung tsura niya. So, buffet siya. Maraming foods. May pansit, kanin, ulam, tapos mga gulay-gulay. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi gutom na. Yan. So, ito, try ni Bebe yung tamilok. Tamilok?
Tamilok na masarap.
Tamilok.
Para sa uod.
Ito, sa mo dito?
Oo. Gumagalaw pa siya. Charot na. Saan kayo nakabili niya?
Doon po. Nagkano siya?
Murang 100 dong.
100 po, isang kilo. Ako.
May lasa talaga. Iba niyan, gumagalaw pa kasi kinain. Wala na pa. Wala lasa.
So yun, tapos na kami mag-lunch. And uwian na. Magpapadrop by na lang kami sa SM Puerto Princesa. And then mag-iikot-ikot na lang kami doon. So, yun lang. If you enjoy my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. So, yun lang. And bye-bye!